Alright, today I'm checking a ECM motor, fan motor on a Goodman unit, and this is the ECM computer module for the motor. As you can see it has resistors here. Okay, so what I've done is I've taken this body or the motor ECM computer off of the motor. Okay, so I've checked for continuity on this resistor, and there was no beep, no continuity there. So it could be possible that this module is bad. Also, I'm going to check the motor itself, the motor windings, and see if we have any continuity in the motor windings. I don't think I can do this with my phone. So all you got to do is stick one lead in the pin and one against the motor casing, and we should get no beep if the motor is good. So we'll stick it in each one. Still oil, so that's good. And the last one. So the motor is good. The symptoms we're having is the fan motor is constantly coming on and going off. So I checked the continuity on this ECM computer board, and I found that I did not get any continuity when I should get continuity here. So it's possible that the module could be bad. I'm going to do some more check just to find out.